So we're currently at the Draa Field Stormwater Park, which is located in the north part of Titusville. A traditional stormwater pond removes about 40% of the nitrogen as it treats the water before it enters the Indian River Lagoon. When we add in a system like the MAPS or floating vegetative island that can add additional treatment and removes about 10% depending on the MAP types and vegetation used.
Managed Aquatic Plant Systems, or MAPS. It's a floating mat system that has areas to plant the plants. The plant bed goes in so that the roots go into the water so they can uptake the nutrients, and that it also keeps the plants together so that they don't overtake the pond and start growing out of control. And they can easily bring the mats back in when they need to harvest them and put them back out where they need to go.
So once these MAPs are in place, we do have to do some maintenance on them. So once or twice a year they will come in and remove the MAPs. They can either take the plants out entirely and replace them with new plants, or there's systems in place where they can trim the plants down and then it can just regrow from the cut plant.
MAPs are great tools to reduce nutrient loadings to the Indian River Lagoon. The more nutrients that these plants use to grow, the less end up in the lagoon because this pond discharges to the Indian River Lagoon.
Currently we have 5 different MAPS projects in the Save Our Indian River Lagoon plan. So the city of Titusville, the city of Cocoa, and Brevard County are all adding these systems into existing stormwater ponds to help improve treatment.
This is the city's 4th project using the MAPS, and we get water quality results from the contractor, and it does a very good job at removing nutrients from the pond.
MAPs are one of the many ways that we can treat stormwater before it enters into the Indian River Lagoon. Save Our Indian River Lagoon plan is also doing other stormwater projects, like creating new stormwater ponds, adding in bioactivative media into existing stormwater ponds to treat the water, and adding in systems like baffle boxes to trap debris before it enters into the Indian River Lagoon.